What's up guys, it's your girl Hannah back with a new video, and today I have a special guest. This is my sister. If you've been watching me for a while, you've seen her before for sure. This is Kendall.
Hello.
But today we are going to be doing something pretty fun, hopefully. But we're going to be switching each other's makeup bags and getting ready for the day. This is what I'm working with here. And
it's for daily makeup too. And this is hand. And then plus this, oh my gosh, what happened to it?
It's just really old and it's just been beaten up.
So I guess we should explain our different everyday makeup and like our backgrounds maybe, because I do love makeup, but I'm not very good at it, or it takes me a while to get down a nice simple look. But Hannah's like the master at it all and has a bunch of makeup, and I only have like a select few things. Like I don't even have a foundation really, like a big liquid one. So I guess you'll just see what I mean when Hannah dives into my bag.
Yeah, I have so much makeup just from over the years that I've been collecting that I really had to sit and separate all of my everyday products and like give it to Kendall in a smaller bag.
And if you have any questions, you know, just ask me. Like the first step in there is like gonna be sunscreen.
Okay.
Yes, that. It's really cool.
The Beach
Always wear
Shield
sunscreen.
by Crave. Antioxidant Day Fluid. Beetroot. Okay.
I have some really good stuff
And
in
vitamin
there.
C.
And it doesn't sting my eyes, because some sunscreens I put on my face will either sting my eyes or make me look greasy, or it smells bad. Well, this is Hannah's foundation. I hope it matches because I'm really pale.
Why is it sticky?
It's like thick.
Well, it's full coverage.
Oh shoot, I have to put my bangs up. Time to cover up my stress and breakouts from being in nursing school. I have a lot
I'm
of
out of the
makeup.
sunscreen.
Don't put too much on. It's running out.
Oh,
Oh,
that's a perfect
God.
amount.
So sticky. Do you see that? That's sticky.
Well, blend it out. You have so much in one area.
I mean, I am. I was just showing you the texture.
Don't you think I look at the texture all the time? Okay, so next concealer, right? Because you don't have foundation.
Yeah.
I'm going to be using
It's my
this
favorite.
heart-shaped Peak Contour Concealer in the shade Light Medium Honey.
A little goes a long way. Like, you do not need a lot.
Do you put it all over your blemishes too?
Yeah, I mostly do it under my eyes, and if I have a blemish or like something that I want to cover up, I'll do that.
Oh, it's just tiny little beauty blender. This is hilarious, me using this after using that thing every day.
Let's just compare them.
That's already... Wait, put it like... Oh my god. I feel like this is going to take me days to blend out.
I don't put that much either. I put like...
Well, but you didn't give me foundation to work with, so like...
I do have...
I have a powder foundation. It's really good.
Put that over the concealer though?
Sometimes, or I'll do one or the other. I don't even feel like I have to set that concealer. This is my first time putting on your concealer.
I feel like this is all drying out before I can get to it.
Yeah, it does dry pretty fast.
Oh, you should tell me that.
I
Oh,
don't
there's just
know,
a
I never
big
had the
blush.
problem because I don't put that much. So I didn't realize you were gonna put it everywhere.
Have you seen my makeup tutorial?
I mean, I thought you were gonna do it how I did it.
I can't. I have a different face than you. She needs help in other areas.
Oh my gosh, where did my eyelashes go? Wow.
I look like I was just It's like a glowy.
Finish?
Yes. Yes.
Natural radiant
I'm
finish.
not mad at how this looks too. It looks pretty natural.
Like it looks like a memory.
Yeah, no, it looks really good.
We're gonna set it with this powder.
That's
right?
like, yeah, it's all over face powder though.
Don't you set it with this?
I mean, I don't feel like that concealer needs setting. I don't think it...
But I still like I get greasy throughout the day.
I
so,
mean,
like,
yeah, no,
need
you
some
can put it
powder
all
to
over your
stop it.
face.
Okay.
I use a little gold brush.
The...
No, it's not gold.
Oh.
I feel like you're yelling at me. And I swirled around and put it all over my face.
Okay, what I'm using right now is this Pure, you say Pure, right?
Yeah.
It's extra hard with two faces. Okay.
Oh!
Okay, this is the Pure Pressed Mineral Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF 15 Compact in Golden Medium 4-in-1. What does that mean? What is
I don't know. It's something good for your skin and like foundation and concealer technically. Like if you like you could, that's why you don't really need both.
Is this supposed to give me coverage?
Yeah, like scroll around, like use a lot of it, like go hard.
I mean, you don't really need to, but... am I doing this
Going
right? Do
hard
you
in the
use
pink.
this or do you use the beauty
Yeah.
blender?
I'm never gonna buy it again because she's not cruelty free.
Oh, I feel guilty.
Well, just call it out if you use like, don't buy this, it's not cruelty free.
Don't buy this, it's not cruelty free. But if there's like awesome cruelty free dupe version of it, let us know. It's Dermablend Illuminating Banana Powder.
I feel like this is
Probably
like
seen
making
it.
me like orange.
No. I mean, it is like for when I'm more tan. Do you just put this everywhere?
Yeah, basically.
Oh shit.
You said everywhere, right?
Well, yeah, but not like 10 pounds of it.
What we got?
I'm not mad at that powder. Do you have any eyeshadow?
No, I don't wear eyeshadow.
I gave this bitch a whole palette.
You know, so I was like, oh no.
I'm just gonna go to the face then. Blush? You got blush?
No. I like don't.
Do you not like color?
I don't have
Do you have
time.
bronzer?
No.
Do you have highlight?
No. I don't wear highlight every day. Like that's my everyday makeup. Like every day I have work or
Alright,
school.
you got some work to do then, because I got so many things you're not used to in there.
Wait, what do I use to take off this excess powder?
Just like sweet.
What is this?
That's my translucent powder brush.
Oh, and then
Oh, brow gel.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
do you have a brow pen?
No, just brow.
Just brow gel?
I don't know how to do my brows. I don't think I have brows to do.
You freaking noob.
Hannah, you know this.
Maybe I didn't know it like it was.
But
like,
that's really
this,
good.
so.
That's why I always ask you to do my makeup with your makeup. Oh.
Robbie, what's out? Robbie, shut up, we're on air.
I do want to get like a really nice like foundation though.
Me too.
Like I
My
want.
foundation is probably the most shitty thing in my makeup bag.
Ooh, shade.
Tea.
Ooh, this is pretty. What's it called? I've heard good things about that Hourglass foundation stick, but I also don't know if it'll be too cakey.
My brows look pretty good.
You put blush on your nose, right?
Just a little bit.
Okay. Is that too much blush?
Is too much eyebrow gel?
No, it looks good.
No, I like it. I like a lot of blush though. Like I don't know.
Makes you look youthful.
There is a fine line of just the right amount of blush
I
or
feel
like
like if
looking
it
like a
looks
clown.
like yeah, if it looks like a big thick streak on your face, that's when you know you've done too much.
Oh,
Ooh, using this Pillow Talk highlighter is beautiful.
this is quite the ride over here.
Do you like it or is that like I can't tell what's a good eyebrow gel and what's not? Like is that
I
good?
think I have an eyebrow pimple that's really throwing me off right now. Those really get me.
You need to tell
Not
me
in a
what
good
it
way.
is.
This is the Instant Brow Fix by Thrive.
Thrive Cosmetics?
And every time you buy stuff from them, I think they like donate to like, a woman in need or something like that. I don't remember exactly, but really awesome brand. I really like it because of that.
I like how it distributes the product.
But the only thing is I tried their mascara once and it literally made my eyes burn. Like I had to return it. It was so sad. Like I was driving after I put it on and I started like, I thought I was going blind. like my eyes are watering so crazy. Yeah, what do you mean? They look good.
I don't know, I guess they just don't look as like smooth as whenever I do them.
That's why I wasn't sure.
You
What?
have to do your brows.
It's gonna be so bad. I mean, look at them.
No, but the thing you have to use is like not even your usual eyebrow.
Wait, do you?
Maneater mascara?
Yeah, that's the non-waterproof. Pretty good.
Do you think it's better than the waterproof?
That one's more volumizing.
Oh, it's okay. I'm excited.
What?
Why does it look like that?
You just have to wipe it off. I don't know. Actually, I've never seen that.
I pull it out and it looks like this.
Oh, my eyebrows go down. I freak it out. Oh my god.
I feel like my eyebrows don't look right either though, so.
I'm gonna have to settle, embrace what she is. I think I just made them darker.
No, you look good.
Oh really? Oh my gosh, you do have brow gel. I love brow gel. This is what is it clear?
Yeah.
Oh yes, this is what I needed. I need a brow lift because all my hair like goes down. Now eyeshadow. Whew, I'm scared. What do you usually do? Like 1 or 2 colors?
Just do like one color in your crease and then one color in your lid, like a sparkly color.
I know you said in one of your videos to like look down and do a sweeping motion, right?
Yeah. Oh, she does watch.
What do you call your fans? Like
Handstand?
handstand?
Oh my gosh. Should I just create that?
Handstand? Should I do a handstand now? Should we do handstands at the end?
Whenever I have meetups, should I just make them greet me with a handstand?
Isn't stan also mean like a crazy stalker fan?
It just means a stan, just like a #1 fan, just like.
I think we should look it up on Urban
I know,
Dictionary.
I literally.
What about hamsters? Hamsters?
That's weird.
Ew. You should ask your fans what they want to be called.
What do you guys want to be called?
Oh my god. Oh my, this cat just gave me a heart attack. Robbie.
Look how good my lashes look in here.
Ooh, yeah. It's a good mascara, right?
Oh my god, I don't even want them to see my eyebrows though. They look so bad.
What?
They look so
Why?
bad. In the
Why?
viewfinder, I can just see.
My eyebrows look bad.
I just don't know how to use that because I've never used it before.
I love many things. I really like this Pixie combo. It's this lip liner and like the matching lip chapstick kind of.
Okay,
So
I'll do
not
that.
be careful because this is kind of broken. My lashes.
So I'm using this Pixie by Petra Shea Butter Lip Balm, natural rose color. And I'm gonna use the natural rose lip liner with it.
I've never used this mascara before. It's your Urban Decay Perversion
Uh-huh.
mascara. Isn't chunky?
Mm-mm.
Why did the raisin ask out the plum?
Why did the raisin ask out the plum? I don't know.
Because he couldn't find a date. You get it? Like a date, like a fruit date? Yeah.
And it's a raisin.
I read it off of a raisin box.
Oh, I don't really line them like that. It's really dark. I like blend it and I can use it on my, like by itself.
You, what? I thought you said this was a combo.
It is, but you can also use it like on its own. I still kind of have a patch from when like I accidentally scalped my eyelid.
Okay.
Cute. Yeah. I don't do it that dark, but it's cute. What lip products do you have in here?
Literally like one. I usually just go with a nude.
I love nudes. Ooh, and then you have setting powder. I mean setting spray. I need like a nice setting spray.
I'm not mad at it. What do y'all think? I just think my eyebrows are scary close up.
I think they look normal.
Kendall does have some awesome little pieces in her collection that are really worth going out and looking for.
Yeah.
Because like if you're like her and you want your makeup to be as natural as possible, cruelty free and like everything like that, she has really good tips for what makeup to use and stuff.
And I think a lot like the heart shaped tape concealer
yeah.
is really awesome. Honestly, I feel like you could definitely use that as a foundation.
Yeah. I guess that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this and I hope you have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. And I hope that you come back for more. Bye guys.